In time, the time is long overdue for a massive flooding of the earth with the Book of Mormon, for many reasons which the Lord has given. In this age of electric media and mass distribution of the printed word, God will hold us accountable if we do not now move the Book of Mormon in a monumental way. We have the Book of Mormon. We have the members. We have the missionaries. We have the resources, and the world has the need. The time is now. My beloved brothers and sisters, we hardly fathom the power of the Book of Mormon, nor the divine role it must play, nor the extent to which it must be moved. Few men on the earth, said Elder Bruce R. McConkie, either in or out of the church, have caught the vision of what the Book of Mormon is all about. Few are they who know the part it has played and will play in preparing the way for the coming of him of whom it is a witness. The Book of Mormon shall so affect men that the whole earth and all its peoples will have been influenced and governed by it. There is no greater issue ever to confront mankind in modern times than this. Is the Book of Mormon the mind and will of God? We testify that it is. Now, my good saints, we have a great work to perform in a very short time. We must flood the earth with the Book of Mormon and get out from under God's condemnation for having treated it lightly. I do not know how fully and why God has preserved my life to this age, but I do know this, that for the present hour, He has revealed to me the absolute need for us to move the Book of Mormon forward now and in a marvelous manner. You must help with this burden and with this blessing which He has placed on the whole church, even all the stakes of Zion.